Hello everyone and welcome to another video about AuditOne. In this video we're going to have a look at our agent's new update and its new features. So, once you enter the address of the agent or you go on AuditOne's website and go to the agent through there, you will be presented with this screen where you can choose your ecosystem between Sonic and Base. We're going to look at Sonic today, and you will see that once you connect your wallet, there is a new option that is called credit. And for beginners, you have 20 free credits and you can use it to interact with the agent. But once this credit runs out, then you need to buy more credit. And this credit is according to audit token. So you would need to buy audit token and then send it to the agent in order to recharge your account. And you can simply do that by clicking on this button here and going on Metropolis and buying a bit of audit tokens. So this is the credit feature for our agent. The other new feature of our agent is the swap function, where you can simply use the chat box here to swap your tokens for one another. For example, I'm gonna swap 10 Metro to Beats. And then I'm going to confirm the transaction. Then I'm going to sign it. And that's done. And you can go on Sonic Scan to see the details of your transaction.
Alright, thank you very much for sticking around until the end of this video. As always, like this video and leave a comment and share your thoughts with us. You could find us on different platforms such as Telegram, YouTube, Discord, and you could also visit our websites to learn more about us and our services.